Hello folks, it's that time again for What's for Supper Wednesday, and this week we're having stuffed pork loin. Alrighty, we happened to catch this pork loin on sale. It was a whole pork loin. Carolyn cut it in half, and then there it is. And then you'll need a box of stuffing, salt and pepper. And then over here will be for the glaze. Apple jelly, Dijon mustard. You'll need some apple cider vinegar, some of that Worcestershire sauce, and some cinnamon and butter. Okay, now just follow the directions on your box for your stuffing mix. And Carolyn's going to start making the glaze here now. Now you can wait a little bit. Carolyn cooked this for 2 hours, and halfway through you'll put the glaze on it. So you can wait around for just a little bit, get your pork in the oven, and you can go from there. However's best for you all. One thing we'll tell you, we need to double the recipe for the pork glaze. And let me tell you folks, it was good. But nope, that's the only thing we'd change. We would double up on the glaze. And preheat your oven to 325. That's what Carolyn cooked it at there. And like I said, it took about 2 hours. Alright, now here Carolyn goes. She's going to start slicing this pork loin up. Just going to try to get it to where it's one thin piece of meat down through there. Alright, did great. Now I'm going to salt and pepper it to your taste. Okay, now she's just going to spoon in some of the stuffing mix. You've already cooked it. But no folks, this was definitely a keeper. And we'll be sure and have the recipe in the description below. It's real easy. Carolyn will tell you here in a minute the hardest part of it was tying that thing up. But no, she did a super job tying it up, even though she'll tell you something different here in just a minute.
Don't laugh, y'all. I tried to tie this thing together. It ain't pretty.
Okay, there Carolyn is pouring the glaze on there. Like I said, that's the only thing we'd change. We would double up on the glaze. Look at that. Look how pretty that thing looks. It's super juicy and delicious. Look at that plate. Folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hit the little bell notification. Let your friends know about us. You all have a blessed day, and we'll be seeing you soon. Thank you again for watching.